Howdy folks, it's Handsome, and today, you're gonna hit that like, you're gonna hit that subscribe, you're gonna leave a comment on what film camera light seals you need to see. All right, I just gave it away, but got a classic today. This is the Nikon F2, which honestly, out of the F2, F3, this is my favorite. Although it is a little heavy and stuff like that. So 1971, they actually came out with this. And then it was produced until 1980. Fully mechanical monster. One of my faves. And man, honestly, the best prism. The coolest thing is you can remove the prism, you can remove the focus screen, all that good stuff. And then you got the slide on hot shoe, all that good stuff. Then you could do, man, there's a lot going on with this camera. It takes amazing photos too. Today, we are getting this thing ready to sell and of course, have to replace the light seals. You absolutely have to, and the mirror cushion. But you're looking at the mirror cushion like, Handsome, that looks fine. Until you touch it. Once you touch it, it becomes gross. Now it's between my fingernails. Doing a great job. So we're going to be replacing the light seals on this Nikon F2. And of course, we are using 1.5. I pre-cut everything. We're using 1.5 millimeters on the film door. And then we're using 2.0 for the mirror cushion. I buy light seals from uscamera.com. It's right there. I reached out to them to see if they'd give me a link, but they never reached out. Maybe if you buy the light seals from this video, put in, I was referred by Handsome's Repairs. Maybe enough of y'all say something to them. Maybe they'll do something. Maybe they won't. I'm still gonna do what I do. And if they don't, I'll be selling them on my website for cheaper than them. I'll find, all right, I'm fired. So, got my tools. Got your straight tweezers, curved tweezers. I have both of these on my website, right there. And these were forged from soldering tools. I'm not gonna get into that, but I got my Fiskars too. Don't forget your Fiskars. We're gonna go ahead and dive into this. Let's go ahead and show y'all how to open the door because it is not your classic pull up and open the film door, nor does it have a latch here like the Nikon. But underneath, you are going to go the way of the arrow, turn, and what do you know? It pops open. And I like to remove the door. There is a lever right here that allows you to remove the film door. Now, the F2 light seals are actually pretty chill. You just need to get to scraping. And now notice they do go all the way here and right there. And I like to look before I scrape how far they go. And they go all the way on both sides because there is no foam here. There's just indentions. Indentions. Is that a band name? Indentions. And to be honest, you don't have to have a scraper. You could scrape with your curved tweezers that you buy from Handsome's Repairs shop. Just saying. You can use tweezers. I'm just a little prima donna and I like using extra tools. For the most part, these light seals come apart very easily. And they just scrape on out. So minimal effort needed. Go ahead and get all that off right there. Know what I'm talking about? For real. Give it a little blow. All right. And just like that, we're ready to lay these bad boys. Pause. We're gonna do a thicker one on the bottom. No pun intended. I still see some debris that would mess up my adhesive. How dare you? How could you? We're gonna cut the tip off. Oh, sorry, fellas. We're gonna pull apart from the paper. Remember, we're going all the way. And honestly, if you cut the light seal perfect enough, you can lay the whole darn thing in there, no issues, and then just run your tweezers through it. You go. Oh yeah. We like to use that. Boom. Whoop, that's not all the way. Redo. All right. Now it does get stuck. All right, we're gonna lay this top piece. And cut the tip. Remember, fellas, cut the tip. There we go. I'm really gonna go all the way. Boom, got that. Now, to get rid of this gunky stuff. Light seals in the morning, light seals in the evening, light seals at supper time. This one's pretty dirty. Very dirty and stubborn. We're gonna use some mineral spirits. Maybe that'll knock it out. That did not. Gonna blow. All right. Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Childhood memory. Shout out to that big purple dinosaur. Do a collab, have Barney on the show. Light seals everywhere, bro. Need a light seal bench. Ben said that. Ugh. Boom. Got that mirror, that cushion for the pushing of the mirror. All right, so that was pretty chill. All right, so remember my ultimate test on light seals. Just so you don't think it's kind of hard to see how it just pops open. It's the ultimate test. And they're all there once you open. So we replaced the film door light seals and the mirror cushion. And that's all, folks, for the Nikon F2 light seal replacement. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Leave a comment on what camera you would like to see next with the light seals. Hopefully it's a crazy camera. Y'all know the drill. Till next time, don't break nothing. Peace! I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, I'm no joke.